Dear students, welcome to 10th class biology. So, in this chapter, reproduction in plants and animals, today we are going to discuss about reproductive health. So, what is mean by reproductive health? According to World Health Organization, it is defined as reproductive health is defined as the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. That means ability to reproduce, regulate fertility, and women's ability to undergo pregnancy and safe childbirth, and maternal and infant survival and well-being. Okay, so this is a definition for reproductive health according to WHO. So what it is? The total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that means ability to reproduce and regulate fertility, and women's ability to undergo pregnancy and childbirth and safe childbirth, and maternal and infant survival and well-being. Okay, several measures has taken by government of India to improve reproductive health of people by launching national health program. So under the national health program, family welfare program and reproductive and child health care programs are included. So what is mean by family welfare program and reproductive and child health care program? Let's discuss about all those things.
Family Welfare Program. The National Family Welfare Program is a comprehensive scheme which includes first one maternal and child health care MCH. The second one immunization of mothers, infants and children. Third one nutritional supplement to pregnant women and children. Fourth one contraception with health education to motivate couples to accept contraceptive methods and to have small family norms which improve economic status and living status and the quality of life. Reproductive and Child Health Care RCH program. It has integrated all services which include pregnancy and childbirth, postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, prevention of reproductive tract infections and sexually transmitted. Population explosion and family planning. Population explosion defined as the sudden and rapid rise in the size of population, especially human population. Realizing the dangers inherent in the population growth, Government of India has taken several measures to check population growth and introduce family planning. India has been one of the first country in the world to launch the nationwide family planning program in 1952. Family planning is a way of living that is adopted voluntarily by couples on the basis of knowledge and responsible decision to promote the health and welfare of the family group and the society. The World Health Organization (WHO) has also stressed the importance of family planning as global strategy health for all. Contraception. Contraception is one of the best birth control measures. A number of techniques or methods have been developed to prevent pregnancies in women. The devices used for contraception are called contraceptive devices. Common contraceptive methods used to prevent pregnancy are discussed here. First one, barrier methods. Second one, hormonal methods. Third one, intrauterine devices, IUDs. Fourth one, surgical methods.
Contraception, it is one of the best birth control measures, which these are the methods to prevent pregnancies in women. Okay. And this includes devices. Those devices are called contraceptive devices, which prevent pregnancies in women. And what are those devices? Barrier method, hormonal method, intrauterine devices, and surgical devices. So let's discuss what are those devices in detail.
Barrier methods. This method prevents sperm from meeting the ovum. Its entry into the female reproductive tract is prevented by barrier. A. Condom. Condom prevents deposition of sperms in the vagina. Condoms are made of thin rubber or latex sheath. Condoms also protect against sexually transmitted diseases, STD, like syphilis and AIDS. So this is the picture of condom. Diaphragm or cervical cap. Vaginal diaphragm fitting into the vagina or cervical cap fitting over the cervix. This prevents the entry of sperms into the uterus. Hormonal methods. Hormonal preparations are in the form of pills or tablets, that means contraceptive pills. These hormones stop or interfere with ovulation, that means the release of egg from the ovary. Intrauterine devices or IUDs. The intrauterine device IUD are contraceptive devices inserted into the uterus. There are two synthetic devices commonly used in India are lips loop and copper T, made of copper and plastic. This can remain for a period of 3 years. This reduces the sperm fertilizing capacity and prevents implantation. This also helps to give adequate time interval between pregnancies. Surgical methods. Surgical contraception or sterilization techniques are terminal methods to prevent any pregnancy. This procedure in males is vasectomy, that means ligation of vas deferens, and in female it is tubectomy, that means ligation of fallopian tube. These are methods of permanent birth control.